And joining us now, and speaking of Metro, for the folks going to the Breezy Bowl, we just told you about the changes there. But yeah, that's going to be attracting thousands of people to Nats Park tonight.
Bundling up a little bit, I think. Yeah, not as warm as some would like, but hey, after all, we are heading into the middle of October, and those temperatures are tumbling along with us. Now, here's what we have going on, folks. It's going to get cold enough for a large chunk of the area that many are about to see their first frost, if not hard freeze of this fall season. Here we have a freeze warning that is in effect through the early morning hours tonight going into Friday, basically along and west of the I-81 corridor. So out through the Shenandoah Valley, the Allegheny front, we are most likely to see those temperatures dropping into the lower 30s, resulting in a hard freeze out there with the clear skies, calm winds expected tonight. Now, a bit farther to the east, not as harsh with just a frost advisory, but still places like Frederick, northern Montgomery, Loudoun counties down towards central Virginia have a pretty high likelihood of seeing those temperatures at least in the mid-30s and a widespread frost. Now notice how those freeze frost alerts, they do not reach the DC metro, but don't get me wrong, folks, it is still going to be pretty cold out there by the time we wake up on your Friday morning. Now, so far, I mean, not the case. It's been very sunny throughout the afternoon today. It did do some work in bumping up our temperatures here, given the fact that, yeah, we haven't hardly had a cloud in the sky with a strong area of high pressure to our north. But this exact setup is also why we're going to end up seeing those temperatures tumbling as much as they will tonight. But at least the sunshine did bring us back to 66 degrees in the district. It's slightly cooler toward the lower 60s in Annapolis, back over toward Winchester, Martinsburg as well there. But hey, we'll take this over the colder conditions we're about to experience here in due time. And check it out. By the time we get around 9-10 o'clock tonight, all areas west of I-95 should already be well into the 40s. Again, any bit of warmth we built up today is immediately going to head right back up in the atmosphere with the calm winds and the clear skies. Now, closer to the district in the Chesapeake, it stays in the lower 50s for a little bit longer than everybody else, but here we have it. We're waking up tomorrow morning. We'll be in the low 40s inside the Beltway, over into parts of southern Maryland and down I-95 toward Fredericksburg. But check out all these temperatures to the west. Everybody else going to likely be dropping into the 30s, and then at that point it's just a question of how low into the 30s are we going to get. But notice places like Frederick there popping up on the map. Yes, we are going to have a few locations right down to that freezing mark. Now, after the frigid start, again, take whatever precautions you need to protect outside plants and those outside pipes, if you will. Hey, we do bounce right back up though. We're going to be in the mid 60s once again on Friday afternoon, and we'll hold with those cool but seasonal temps into the weekend because, folks, this is the next thing we're watching closely. We are expecting a coastal low to develop to our south and eventually push northward throughout the weekend. Now, exactly where this low sets up is going to determine exactly how much rainfall we get, but it looks like Saturday night heading into Sunday, we're going to be dealing with our next round of soggy weather. So we'll be gearing up, watching for that. In the meantime, we have those colder temperatures to wrap up the work week, and really we don't see any signs of a major warm-up anytime over the next 7 days.